The PowerPack FX Library by Digifacts. 7 CDs and more than 1,700 sound effects. High-powered and processed for extra impact. The PowerPack FX Library from Digifacts, distributed by Sound Ideas.